Those look so real. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? So in this week's video, we are gonna pretend I'm a real makeup guru because you guys all know I am not anywhere close to being a real makeup guru, a real beauty guru, a real skincare guru, a real anything guru. All I'm good at is drinking my boba. So in today's video, we are gonna do the I followed a blank makeup tutorial that is literally all over the internet. I really like watching these videos, so I wanted to do one myself, and I asked you guys on Twitter who I should do. All of you guys chose PatrickStarrr, and I already know it's not gonna look anything like his, but that's okay. And I definitely wanted to choose a guy for this video because I have so much respect for all the guys out there who do makeup on YouTube. Not only are they amazing at it, they are better than any other girls I know out there. If you guys like this video, give me a huge thumbs up. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe down below, and let's go ahead and get started. Woo! So one of the tutorials I chose from PatrickStarrr is one that he did of Frida Kahlo. I love Patrick. What a real makeup guru with this song and music and intro. No! There's an ad. Oh no, I'm like behind already. I can't find my stuff. Pause, pause, pause. I look totally naked.
It's actually a bit too dark for me. I'm just gonna go in, but you know, this is Frida from Brows Art. So next, I'm gonna take this spoolie out and I'm just gonna...
He's going so fast. It actually hurts to draw on my eyebrows. I think mine is dried up. Ow, this is like scratching my skin. Oh, did he draw on the top as well? Wow, you gotta draw in the top. Oh, my brows look on point. Whoa. Okay, I see you. I see it. Oh my God, I look crazy.
Ooh, guys, since we're so up close, I do my contact. Oh my God.
Ew, that's so freaky. Ew, 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 ew. Ooh, that freaks me out so much. I can't watch people put contacts in because I don't get how people put it in. That was so weird.
Normal, correct. I'm gonna show you my face. I just want to get my brows out of the way. For my face, I am using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream to moisturize.
So I don't have the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream that he has, but I do have a MAC Strobe Cream. So we're gonna put that on.
My skin has been really dry lately. I'm gonna take the Fenty.
Wait. Okay, he's already on foundation. Holy cow. It is not even fast forward.
Matte Pro Filter Foundation in the color 340.
So he is doing a Fenty foundation. I am gonna say I'm not a huge fan of this. I think it's because I have really oily skin, so I don't like this foundation.
I'm just gonna take it on my Tarte Fluffy brush.
I don't have a Tarte Fluffy brush, so we're gonna use this guy instead, which is by Tarte.
And yes, my Fenty is covered on.
Wait, why didn't he prime his face? Is that Charlotte? Is it primer that I use? What's magic cream? Dang it, should I put primer on? I feel like I should put primer on. Never mind, I'm not gonna put primer on.
So you guys don't follow me, the show Face Forward is like a makeover show. It's like a 4 or 5 minute show on Snapchat on the Discover page. So if you guys wanna check it out, definitely screenshot this. And so now for concealer, I'm gonna take a little bit of the Boing Concealer by Benefit. This is the old packaging, they have new packaging.
Okay, he is going too fast. Gotta blend into your neck, or you're gonna look like you just have makeup on your face and nothing on your neck. Duh. I look like a ghost. Oh my God. Holy cow. Also, real question, why were my eyebrows done before like my foundation is done? Because I feel like I'm just wiping off my eyebrows with this makeup. All right, next step. So I have that MAC brush. MAC sent it to me and I can't believe MAC knows who I am. I'm just gonna use this Milani concealer that I have. I love that I'm doing this video because it's making me use all the makeup that I've hoarded in my closet. I'm actually using stuff today. He has some on his nose as well. I can't take my face seriously right now.
Story.
Even more concealer. Oh God, more concealer.
So next I'm going to take my Beauty Blender and blend my whole face together. Next I'm going to take my
Okay, stop going so fast. Did I do this right? I feel like he put it all over his lids, but like the middle of the lids.
And I'm a painter. No, but really, I love her though. Frida was a strong, independent woman.
Look how yellow my teeth look. Oh my god, is he drinking boba? I'm drinking boba. Oh my god, we're totally matching. Yes, Patrick.
Why you do this to me? What? I was stuck in the ice.
I feel like I am patting my face faster than I've ever patted. I just want to make Patrick proud. We're already on to eyeshadows, and I don't have any of the palettes he had. I just hope one of them works. I literally have 5 Too Faced palettes here, and none of them have the colors he's using.
I'm going to take the I Want Candy palette by Too Faced. This is her collab, and I'm going to take Raspberry Cocoa.
Raspberry Cocoa, so it's like a mauve pink. So I'm gonna use a Girl's Best Friend palette instead, and I'm gonna use the color Love is Love.
Just as my transition color in my crease using the R40 brush. So next to deepen up the crease.
No. Okay. He like put it in there. How did he put it in there? How'd he put it in there? He's like putting it right here, which I feel like is kind of weird. But if Patrick's doing it, I gotta do it. I think I got the hang of it.
A little pony palette and this pink right here. I will so that.
How did he do that? Okay, so I'm gonna take Daddy's Love Me. So just make it more red. I think I got it. It looks pretty good. I think I got it.
I'm gonna take ashes and
Dang, ashes. Okay. That color is like a dark mauvey color. How does he have so many colors to choose from? Oh, I think I messed it up. It's okay, my lashes later are gonna hide all this stuff.
I am going to take this Stila Magnificent Meadows and put it on the center.
Okay, so I don't have that Stila thing that he's talking about. I tried finding it, so we're gonna use this Makeup Forever. It says pro only. I'm not a pro. And just put it in the middle.
So while it's still wet, I'm gonna go ahead and feather this.
Mine looks so bad. I thought it would be like glittery, but it's so not glittery. Patrick, you're too good. Now he's putting pink glitter on top of his glitter. Gonna use Living Lavish right here. I look like a crazy person, crazy person, crazy person.
Body paint by MAC called Rich Purple, and I'm gonna use this as my eyeliner in Crazy.
Okay. The only eyeliner pot I have is this one by Tarte. Oh, this is gonna be a fail. I hate doing gel eyeliner like this.
You wanna make sure you shake it. Like Frida shook the nation with her presence. And how I use it is that I take... Okay, little tip for when you do colored wing liner. I always add a little thin line of black because I notice when I do my false.
Ew. I'm so sorry, Patrick. I feel like I'm embarrassing you. I am good at eyeliner though. Oh, decent, not bad. There are so many steps to this makeup tutorial. If I was doing my makeup, I would have been done like 20 minutes ago. So now that eyeliner is on.
Alright, so I curled my lashes up to Jesus.
How did he get his lashes on already? I'm using Better Than Sex mascara because he doesn't say which one he used. Alright, he has lashes on. So for my lashes, I'm gonna use these Kiss ones. This is gonna take me at least 15 minutes. I feel like I should just shut off the camera. Good enough? Is that good enough? I got lashes on my eyeballs. What? I am so proud of myself. I got lashes on. They look crazy, but I got lashes on my face. While I wait for those to dry, I think he put more mascara on.
My lashes is the fake one.
Oh no, my finger is stuck to my lashes. Oh no. Oh.
Next, I'm gonna take this Marc Jacobs gel eyeliner.
Ooh, I have the same one actually.
I'm gonna run this in the water. For my face powder, I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder and pat this all up.
He's putting some sort of powder all over his face. Gonna use this one by Milani. This is in the color Natural. I forgot to bake my face.
Next to contour, I'm gonna take Deep Dark Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC.
Contour, okay, contour. So for contour, I'm gonna use this blush by Makeup Forever, and this is in the color 30M. Oh my god, I look like a drag queen in the best way possible. Apparently we're snatching the nose.
Want to snatch your nose? Now is the time to do it next minute because tis is Halloween. Well, for me, Halloween is every day, so. Alright, now for blush.
Does that look snap? That doesn't look snatched, it just looks dirty.
We were a contour. So if you want to get more pigment,
Lots of blush.
just scrape a little bit, turn it into a pigment. Go halfway. I love these Anastasia blushes. They're so good. Next for luminosity, I'm gonna take the amp.
I feel like that's not hot enough. Never mind, it's hot enough. I wonder if he's gonna put mascara on his bottom lashes because I noticed he didn't do that. Patrick, you gotta put some lashes down there too. Oh, I like this. Whoa. Okay, that doesn't look natural at all. I mean, we're not really going for a natural look, but still. I feel like my nose is crooked. I don't have a lip liner that's hot pink at all, so I'm just gonna use a hot pink lipstick. Okay, they're not the same color at all. What was I thinking? How is he so good at this? Okay.
Do you think Frito is team Anastasia or Benedict? Okay, so
Why does his look so good? Oh, it's looking pretty good. Look at those brows, guys. Look, they can dance. Can you guys lift an eyebrow? I can only lift one at the same time. Is it working? I have no idea it's working. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. With the unibrow, it pulls the entire look together because I actually look like decent. Those look so real. Alright guys, that is it with today's video. I had so much fun recreating this look. I'm not gonna lie, halfway through the tutorial, I was like, yeah, this is gonna suck. I'm gonna look really bad. But once I put the lipstick on and the little unibrow on, I actually think I look pretty good. If you guys are gonna do a Halloween look, I think this is a really great one. I'm gonna link Patrick's video down below. If you guys want, do me a favor and tweet PatrickStarrr that I did his look. And I feel like I slightly slayed it, but overall, I am so impressed with myself and I learned how to give myself a good unibrow. I have a unibrow and it looks legit. If you guys like this video and you guys want me to recreate someone else's makeup tutorial, let me know down below. Also, comment down below your favorite makeup gurus because I need new makeup gurus to stock. I'm gonna go now. I love you guys so much. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Follow me on my vlog channel, which is youtube.com/TiffanyMa. I'll see you guys later. Bye!